Okay, so we're moving on to the next question. And for this question, we have it themed. We have fingerprints on the board. So the question says, you're on trial for murder. At the crime scene was found a pair of women's size 14 dancing shoes. Shoemaker testifies that less than 1/100% of people wear size 14 women's dancing shoes. You are, of course, well known for your proclivity towards size 14 women's dancing shoes. The prosecutor tells the jury that the chance of you being innocent is less than 1/100%. The jury whispers to each other in hushed tones, but you smile and calmly explain why the prosecutor is wrong. Assume you're in Lubbock with a population of 200,000. So what we want to do is we want to start off with 200,000 people in Lubbock, and then we have the truth, which is murder and not murder, at least not this particular murder. You might have committed a different murder, but this particular murder. So out of the 200,000 people in Lubbock, one of them is the actual murderer. And all the rest of them, 199,999, are not the murderer. So the test is size 14 and not. So size 14, the murderer wears that and doesn't not wear that, which is a little bit weird to say. Now here's where we run into the problem. How many people wear size 14 women's shoes in Lubbock? And it's 1/100%, which is 1 in 10,000, which means that in the city of Lubbock, there are 20 people who wear size 14 women's dancing shoes, and there's 199,979 that do not. Okay? So, given that we have size 14 women's dancing shoes, it's these people and these people, what's the probability that you're guilty? Well, you're one of these 21 people. There's one person who's the murderer, and there's 20 plus 1 who wear size 14 dancing shoes, which means that the probability that a given person with size 14 dancing shoes is 4%, roughly. So that seems to be beyond a reasonable doubt, which is all you need to get away with murder. Not get away with murder, to not be convicted of murder. Okay? Fantastic.